honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It's your girl Day, back again with another video for y'all. And today we're going to be doing this hairstyle right here, honey. This one, yes. I just did this because I am in between styles. I'm waiting for my wig. Y'all know I keep talking about my Nadula wig. I'm waiting for it. But in the meantime, I did this look right here. And yeah, I'm about to show y'all how I achieved this look. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so this is my hair in its natural state. I washed it and let it air dry. I don't blow dry my hair, and this is it with absolutely no product in it. So first, what I'm gonna do is take some Eco Gel in this brush right here and detangle my hair, because this, like, we can't work with this. We need it to be manageable. We need it to be able to go into a slick ponytail. So we're gonna go ahead and start detangling it now. So I went ahead and put up my hair and I sectioned it. So what we're gonna do is start from the back to the front and work our way up. So I'm gonna show y'all on this small section right here what I do, and do it to my entire head and then come back. So I take it section by section and I put a little Eco Gel and kind of just like run my fingers through it first. And then I gotta get my ends, make sure my ends are in there. Then I'll take this brush and kind of just do that. And see, already such a difference already. And I barely used any Eco Gel. I don't like to use a lot because I don't like when your hair is too hard or when the product starts turning like that like crusty white color. No, I don't use a lot of product because I don't like my hair getting like that. But yeah, so that's it. So now I'm going to listen to some music, do my whole head, and then come back. Y'all look, I'm about halfway through and look at this. Like, look at this. What am I, in the Princess Diaries? Like, y'all remember when her hair was so thick that the freaking brush broke? Like, and that's on nappy hair, period. Like, wow, my hair really just broke this comb. Okay, so now we are finally done detangling and putting Eco Gel. I put it back in like a ponytail just to make it easier on me and it's not just out and everything. But yeah, y'all, I'm really, like, let me just tell y'all, I am really sick. Like, I am sick right now about this wig. Like, one thing about me, I love different hairstyles. If I can get a different hairstyle every single week, then I would, no questions asked. Like, Ari got it made. Her best friend do hair. She get her hair done like every day, every other day. Like, that is the life that I dream of. I love different hair. Like, one day I want to be pink. One day I want blue. Like, one day I want yellow hair. One day I want blonde hair. One day I want black hair. Like, but yeah. So now I'm about to figure out what I want to do. I've been sitting here contemplating. Part of me is like, I want to keep it simple and just do like a part and then the ponytail, and another part of me is like, I want to do like the rubber band thing where they do like rubber bands and they'll like do all of that with the ponytail. And then another part of me is debating whether I want it to be a low ponytail or a high ponytail. Now that too is a factor. So yeah, I gotta sit and contemplate for a little bit to see what I want. After some deliberation with my boyfriend, he picked for me. I just told him to pick high or low. He wants me to do a low ponytail, so it is what it is. We gonna do that. We gonna do a low ponytail today. Just trying to figure out how I want it parted. My forehead's big. My freaking hairline, I guess, is really funny looking, so I try to manipulate it to make it look a little better. But yeah, I'm just trying to like figure out how I want it to be parted. to do my edges. I don't think that I have edges, like they're non-existent in my eyes, but I'm trying. I'm really trying here. Like I legit think, like I be calling myself bald head, obviously, in the back, but like my edges, I'm bald head. I ain't got no edges, girl. I'm trying to do this something, you know what I'm saying? And I am listening to music. That's the only thing I hate about YouTube. Yeah, there's two things I really hate about YouTube, and that's one, the algorithm. That's a story for another time, honey. And the fact that you can't have music, I get it. They want to like, you know, give coins to the artists or whatever, but I just think it's so lame. You can't have no music. So it's like I have to blur out or put music over the music I'm actually listening to. This part I put in a hair tie is the part that I'm about to make the soup. Now, I don't know how this is gonna go. This is a trial and error. Really about to try. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. This is the side. This is the other side. I hate how my hair is so many different colors right now, but I'm not dyeing it anytime soon. But yeah, I tried to do the baby hairs, all that, little swoop, swoop, you know what I'm saying? Bun. Okay, now this is the easiest part of all of it. I feel like once you have your hair the way that you want it, I'm going to take my braiding hair in this Kroger bag, real ghetto, okay? But yeah, so this is the braiding hair that I saved. Like I said, I only had my braids in for like a week and a half, 2 weeks, so it's not dirty. Like I wouldn't use dirty hair, you know what I'm saying? So you're gonna take a few strands of this hair. This was water wave, but see the texture? It's like kind of curly, but the fact that it's kind of like, I don't know, like messed up, I guess, from the braids, I feel like it goes well with my hair texture. Now, if it was too perfect, I think it would not look as good. But yeah, so I'm using this hair, and I like that it's a little like messed up like that. It gives it that more realistic look that maybe it is my hair. But on the contrary, this color and like all these different colors, like I don't like that. I don't like that. Yeah, so you're gonna take a few strands of this. I'm gonna show y'all what I mean by that. I'm just gonna gather a bunch of strands like this to make like a thick ponytail. Okay, babies, this is what I mean by a lot of strands. I don't know how many this is, but basically it's gonna look like this, and then you can test it, you know what I'm saying? So essentially my ponytail is gonna look like this, real thick, real luscious. But yeah, I don't know if this is enough hair to cover, because I have a fat bun back here. But yeah, I want to cover the bun, so I'm trying to make sure it's enough, but it looks like this. I think I'm gonna add just a few more, and yeah, show y'all how I put it on. Okay, babies, this is how it looks. It's a little big for my liking, but the good thing about my method is that you could take it off and put it back on as many times as you want to. You can wake up in the morning and put it back on, or take out less, put in more, however, you know. So basically, it's like this all along. We're gonna take a scrunchie, a hair tie, and basically just put it through the hair tie halfway. Halfway. Ooh, it's a lot of hair. So this is the scrunchie, and basically the hair is halfway. So all I do is kind of hold it, I can't explain it, but kind of hold it this way. I'm gonna try to do it this way so y'all can see. If I do it like this, and you want to put it over your hair. Is take like a strand of hair and wrap it around a couple of times so that it's super secure. Also, I use bobby pins to really secure, just in case you at the club and somebody pull your dang on ponytail or something like that. Something crazy, but yeah, I use bobby pins to secure it. And what I love about this, I guess, is the fact that I could take it off. Like tonight, after this video, I could take this ponytail off and put it back on in the morning when I want to. So yeah, the only thing I hate is that my hair is legit so many different colors. Like, this is really blowing me. But other than that, it's cute. It's cute. I feel like a hot girl summer, icy girl, all that. Like, I feel really cute. And I got my sweetie shirt on. Like, this two-tone color situation is like blowing me. But okay, Sunny, so this is the finished product, but like I said, this hair and my hair coloring is kind of off. That's like the only thing I absolutely hate, but I love that I was able to come up with a little something, even though I don't have no baby hairs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and turn your post notification bell on so the next time I drop a video, which will be soon, you will be notified. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.